Today we're going to be switching out this turn signal assembly on this Jeep JK. As you can see, it is missing it right here. Tools required, it's going to be a Phillips head, a T20 or a T25 depending on your specific model. A long or an extension is required, as well as your choice of pry tool. Using our T, we're going to come in here and remove the bottom. We're going to be removing one right here and one right here as well. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create separation on the top as well as in the bottom. You want to go ahead and create separation, move this up and over. And we are going to disconnect this connector right here and this connector right here, as well as remove the screw that is right there. Simply on this, you want to push in and out, as well as in this one, push in and out. When removing this top one, just go ahead and remove that Phillips screw before, so that way you don't have to fight against it, because this one, it is pretty tight in there once it's all seated in. I'm not sure if you could tell in the video, but there is a slight groove in here. You want to go ahead and line that up, push it in, and it should align the bottom part. And we're gonna go ahead and grab our Phillips. Insert that in. And we're ready to cover it all up. Should go ahead and line those tabs to get that nice little seal. And just like that, you're good to go.